This is part 1 of JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to declare variable. So guys, here I have created a custom.js file, and in this JS file I have created, this is the JavaScript folder, and inside this JS folder I have created a custom.js file, and I have a index.html file, and this custom.js file I have linked here. And now I will write all the code in our custom.js file. So first of all guys, I will tell you, before comes ECMAScript 6, we declare variable like that. So the keyword was var, and now the variable name. So you can write any name of the variable as per your choice always. And now here I will store a value 10. So what is variable? Variable is a container where you can store different types of value. So now A is the container, and here I have stored 10, and now I will check this. So console.log always used for checking error. So now where I want to check A, so I will write here A and save, and I will run our project. So this is the index file, and console.log always check in inspect and console. So here you can see it's printed 10, and suppose guys, again I have write another variable var, and the variable name is same, A equals to, again if I write another value 20. So let's see guys, and I'm printing A. So let's see guys what showing here. So guys, see that here it's showing 20, not 10. So that means when we declare variable to use keyword A, then it always showing the last one's value. So I last store the value is 20, so here it's showing 20. And now after comes ECMAScript 6, we can define the keyword is not var, const and let. So let's see the fundamental of const and let. So I will comment it, and here in the same way I will write the keyword const and same A equals to 10, and now I will print it console.log and A. So what happened when I will see it? So it's showing 10 the same way. And now if I write here const A, the variable name is same, and now if I change the value 20, so if one time const A equals to 10 and one time const A equals to 20. So let's see now what it's showing. So guys, you can see that uncaught syntax error, identifier A has already been declared. So that means when we declare variable to keyword const, then I can declare the same names variable. So I am getting error. So this ECMAScript 6. And now in the same way, if I declare the variable let, and here I let, so again let's see what happened. Let is the keyword to declare variable, and this introduce ECMAScript 6. ECMAScript 6 means JavaScript new version, ECMAScript 6. And same way I'm getting error, identifier A has already been declared. So when we declare to use const and let, then we can write we can't write same names variable. So here is the A and A is the same name, so I'm getting error. So here we understand what is the const and let. So when we declare const, when we declare a global variable, so in the next tutorial we will learn what is global variable, and let is the block level element. So when we write any loop, for loop, if, then we write let variable. So this is the clear. I think this is clear now. And now how we can define a variable. So I will comment it that, and suppose guys, I want to define two variables. So here I can write the same in this way, A equals to 10 and comma. Here I don't need to again write var B equals to, I write comma and B equals to 20. So here I can print console.log, and one time I will print A, and now I will copy and now I will print console dot log b. So let's see what's showing here. So you can see it's showing A's value is 10, 20 and B's value is 20. So guys, I can define variable to use comma. I don't need to like this way. So A equals to 10 and here semicolon, and now I don't need to write again where and B equals to 20 this way. I can write this way, use comma. So here we can define variable this way also. So guys, this is the fundamental of variable. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon, because here I will show the tutorial of basic to advanced JavaScript.